So, we understand the pressure you're under to make the most of your marketing budgets. And you're constantly making trade-offs. For example, do you build on your brand? Do you max out the conversions? Or are you spending for the longer term or for the immediate? You also know that marketing is at the forefront of AI disruption. Are you taking full advantages of all of these opportunities it provides, and how do you avoid falling behind, right? So today, we're gonna talk about how Google and YouTube all together are gonna be here as your best partners. And I'm gonna show you how no other platforms gives you the combined power of Google and YouTube, search and YouTube particularly, to influence consumers across their entire journey from discovery to decision. And that our best-in-class AI is also gonna help you to deliver your own objectives and also help you to run better business. So, we always start with the consumers. And let's face it, today's consumers are predictably unpredictable, and AI is certainly accelerating that pace of change. But it's also what's allowing our advertisers to keep pace, right? So the truth is, you no longer need to or can predict consumer behaviors, but you just need to be where they are with the right signals and the right partners. So where are they? They're moving seamlessly yet simultaneously across 4 key behaviors. This is actually one of the most important slides I want everyone to remember. So what are the 4 key behaviors? Streaming, scrolling, searching, and shopping. And they're doing this in new ways with new points of interactions. So let's say right now, nowadays, taking a photo now could be searching. When you're scrolling, but you're also doing it on your TV with your remote control, that is scrolling at the same time streaming, right? Or when you're looking at the video of a creator and you circle something actually you like, is that searching, streaming, scrolling, or shopping? It's actually all of them at once. So there's lots of new moments of interactions that we are seeing all across these 4 consumer behaviors. But guess what? Only Google and YouTube can get you across all 4 of this. And that's a really, really powerful competitive advantages that we can lead with. So let's go through all of those 4 one by one. First of all, in case you actually miss it, and a lot of people still have missed it, YouTube is actually the leader in streaming. YouTube is the most watched platform on TV in the US, which is also the world's most competitive streaming market. Yes, YouTube is higher than Netflix, YouTube is higher than Disney, YouTube is higher than Prime. And in fact, every day around the world, people are collectively watching more than 1 billion hours on average of YouTube content, actually on the TV screen. This is twice as much as Netflix, and this is just talking about TV. So imagine, when you add the mobile users of YouTube, how much even bigger it could be, right? It's pretty amazing. Second, onto scrolling. So now, YouTube Shorts is incredibly fast growing with a highly engaged audience. We already have more than 2 billion monthly active users on Shorts. We have 70 billion views per day, and Shorts is the only platform that can take your mobile screen to TV screen. So imagine how much more value this type of engagement could be, right? It is just not about you mindless scrolling on Shorts. The consumers are actually watching Shorts on the bigger screen with a remote. So there's no surprise that YouTube Shorts ads are viewed 90% longer, are better liked, and are seen as more personally relevant than ads on TikTok. Now, searching. Searching is, of course, the bread and butter of Google. It is a reflection of us, what we do, and what we truly cares about, which makes it the greatest platform for capturing intent ever created. More than 2 billion people search billions of times a day, and a very interesting fact, every day, 15% of the search we see on Google are actually entirely new. But we know that we're still not capturing everything people want to search for. So maybe the people don't have the right words, they don't think search has a good answer, or has a good answer yet. But this is exactly where AI is going to unleashing the full potential of search. things like AI overview nows that allow you to ask questions and really natural conversational language is now being used by 1 billion people around the world, letting you reach customers in different moments of explorations with greater signal of intent. AI overviews on search is made possible by our new Gemini model, which is a customer beautiful search, which combines the power of the LLM experience with the high quality results from the web. So people can quickly find information, even for long or complex questions that you may not have a single right answer. So that's the organic part of Google and how we're actually constantly evolving by the power of AI. But at the same time, we're also trying to catch up and improve our Google Ads at the same time by ingesting the most powerful AI model. Some advertisers are kind of missing out on these new AI-powered moments of discovery and decision. By relying on manual approaches, they're leaving certain revenue on the table. So our AI-powered suite of search tools, including bidding, targeting, and creatives, are designed to help you unlock those new signal intents. Our AI, and you can see that you can meet your customers with unparalleled personalization throughout the entire journey. And this is how you win with search. Finally, shopping. When it comes to shopping, Google and YouTube are actually indispensable. People are shopping across Google more than 1 billion times a day. And 80% of Gen Z are actually using Google for discovering, researching, and purchasing. So when you look at consumer journeys that involve certain degree of research, people use Google or YouTube for searching twice as often as the other leading social platform. And I know that there are a large amount of audiences today who are actually in the lead gen business, right? I also want to proudly share that according to the study of the US lead gen consumers who filled out a lead form are 2.2 times more likely to do so for a brand that was researched using a Google touchpoint, meaning search, YouTube, or Google reviews, than a brand that was not. I also want to share that we've seen that 73% of the companies optimizing for high-value customers drove more high-quality leads with Google Ads rather than the other social platform. So at Google, we're working very hard to make sure that our Google AI advantage is ultimately your business advantages. And we're the best partner for you in this new era. Not only for ads particularly, but also in terms of the broader AI concept, which includes, for example, AI infrastructure, AI research, and AI scalability. First of all, we take a deep full-stack approach to AI innovation, including everything from the data center, the chips, and also our global fiber network. We announced our recent new quantum chip called Willow in last December. So put how much strong Willow it is into perspectives. Willow just smoked the world's fastest supercomputers by completing a task in under 5 minutes. That would take them 10 septillion years, which is a 10 with 25 zeros after it, so how powerful it could be. Second, our world-class research teams. They have been pioneering AI breakthroughs for more than a decade now, and Google is actually the most cited research institutions in this world on AI. Also in last December, we launched Gemini 2.0, which is our most capable AI model ever yet. And thirdly, our global scale. This is truly bleeding edge technology at the highest level, and we are talking about the multiverse at this point. But only Google is able to put it in practical application at scale. The reason is, today, all of our 7 products and platforms I listed here, including Google Search, Gmail, YouTube, Android, Google Play, Google Map, etc. All of these products and platforms have more than 2 billion monthly users using the Gemini model. So just think about what technology like this will do to power your business and also your ads. Finally, I'd like to recap. So how do you keep up with today's predictably unpredictable consumers? It all comes together in a modern marketing formula. When you're taking Google and YouTube's unmatched scale and influence, where consumers are streaming, scrolling, searching, and shopping, and you also multiplied by the best AI-powered Google campaign tools, you will get the best ROI not only for your ads, but also for your business. Thank you, and that's the end of my sharing.